I already see myself in the place of being an ambassador for this great cause that is for what we are here. I have done my bit and I am doing my bit towards the women empowerment. The recent case that happened in Goa, the 7-year-old rape victim from Vasco. Me being a journalism student, I have done enough from our side, from our college's side. We have taken up martial art training for the girls from the age of 8 to 20. And I think I have started from there, and that's when I feel that I should do my bit towards the women empowerment so that women can feel safe towards themselves. So when I will do my bit towards promoting it, the first thing that I will come up with is training them to make themselves safe. No matter in what condition they are, they know they are capable of it and they can take care of themselves in what situation they go through. So if that is going to happen, I feel women will be safe on their own. When you talk about such things, talk shows, talking about it, debates, that doesn't solve the problem. You need to get to the roots and solve it. If that is when you will think about it and work towards it, our problems will be solved and the roots will remain and the women will stay strong and independent. Thank you.
Judges, good evening everyone. Being here as a contestant in this pageant, being here since the past 5 days, every day I've realized what a strong woman I am, what I can do, the powers I have, the independence that I have, and what can I make of it as a person, as a woman myself. Women empowerment is a very important issue that our country needs to start implementing. We all talk about awareness. Now is the time to act. Winning this pageant would give me the opportunity to start acting. Awareness would be carried as it has been already, but we need to start implementing. Safe Women, Safe India is one such program that will help us implement, helping women, understanding them, giving them their independence and giving them their freedom to do what they want to and express themselves openly. Here I'd like to talk about two aspects, society and women. We need to develop a trust between the society and women, and only then will women feel safe in the society that they live in. Thank you.
Thank you, judges, and good evening. Being a performing artist, being a classical dancer, I will try to promote the Safe Women, Safe India from my dance also, like making such kind of shows, choreographing such kind of shows. Like I would like to give an example. We have done a show, Global Warming, in which we have female as a Eve and a male as an Adam, and how nature and even the society, the society balances women and men, and how men should respect women, how the woman is a strong part of a society, all the society people praise to God that please save us, please save us. I would like to tell that Sri Krishna, we don't want your garment and we don't want your vastra, now we need your shastra, that is Sudarshan. Please do it. I even request God to this, and I'll obviously promote Safe Women, Safe India from my dance. I'll choreograph such kind of dance shows and I'm doing that. I'm performing a show, global performing, and I'm trying to do it. Thank you.
Please come back. Congratulations, Rama. Congratulations, Rama. Thank you, Colonel Sandeep Kumar. Thank you. I'd like to call. Congratulations. Can we have you on stage, please? Congratulations once again, Mayuri. Thank you, Mr. Firoz. It's Joanne. Sorry, Joanne. And congratulations. Thank you, Joanne, and congratulations. I would request everybody to appreciate. Congratulations, Neelam, and thanks. Thank you, Pradeep and Harry. Thank you so much. And to present. We request all our finalists, another two beauties to come on stage, please. We'd like to thank our sponsors, Renault, Right to Change, World Touch Spa and Saloon, Safe City Dolphin, Glamour Mania, Casino Royale, Mount, Makeover Goa, 92.7 Big FM, White Wagon, Red Coaching, Mindful Arts, Sharakhan Srivastava, Dreams, Habib, Unisex S17, 31st Jump Street, Virtual Voyage, BNG Holidays and Travels.